We recently added the search piece here. So previous to this icon, we could come in here and say, well, if I need to search the first name for something, I'd come here and I could search for Mark, whatever, and say, okay, and it would pull it up. The problem is it's kind of hidden and, whatever. But what I did, and I want to clear that filter. That's basically just filtering off of that. We've added this search contacts piece. Same thing for properties as well, is whenever I do a search now and type in Mark, it's going to search every field that's in this list. So technically I've got some Marks in my email because these are just
so it's like more of a global.
It's a global search type thing.
Nice. Thank you.
For everything that's in there. Likewise, if we've got something with tags was a little bit of a challenge to search on, but now I can come in here and I can say buyer, and it's got buyer in the tag.
Nice.
So that makes that searching so much easier.